Hello and welcome back to Easy English with James. Have you ever listened to native English speakers and thought, wait, where did half that sentence go? Did they just eat half the words? Nom, nom, nom. Well, today, hopefully, I'm going to show you exactly where those missing sounds went and why you should start swallowing letters if you want to sound a little bit more like a native speaker too. This episode is all about elision. Elision. Elision is one of the coolest tricks in the native speaker toolbox. It's the reason next day becomes next day. It's the reason I used to becomes I used to. It's why don't know sounds more like I don't know. Cool, right? Well, let's dive in. So, what is elision? Elision is when a sound, usually a consonant, gets dropped when we speak quickly or casually. In other words, some sounds just vanish, like a ninja or a Hogwarts house elf. And you probably do it in your own language too, especially when you're tired, you're late, or you're talking to your best friend. Why do we do it? Because English is a stress-timed language. We don't pronounce every single syllable like a robot. We care more about rhythm and beat. So we squish words together to keep that natural flow. It's not lazy, it's efficient. So let's practice now some T and D elision. Say these 5 times with me, slowly first, and then we'll get faster. Next day becomes next day. Next day. Next day. Next day. Next day. One more time. Next day. Friend request. Friend request. Friend request. Friend request. Friend request. And friend request. Old man sounds more like old man, old man, old man, old man, old man. Okay? Old man. You try it. How about this one? Left back sounds more like left back, left back. It's like we missed the T. Left back, left back, left back, left back. Now, really common one here, used to. Used to. Used to. I used to do this. I used to do that. Used to. Used to. Used to. Used to. And of course, another really common one, don't know becomes dunno. Dunno. I don't know. I don't know. I don't think he knows. I don't know either. I don't know. Try it. Dunno. Dunno. I don't know. Try this one. Want to go becomes wanna go? Wanna go? Wanna go? Wanna go? Super quick. Wanna go? You can say it even faster and squish it even more. Wanna go? Wanna go? Wanna go? Wanna go? How about this one? Could you help becomes can you help? Can you help? Can you help? Can you help? It's so quick, isn't it? It's like can you help? 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 If I'm asking somebody, can you help me? Can you help me here? Can you help me? It's can you help? Now, say each one of those again, this time faster, okay? So we're going to try a little mini scene now, and I'm going to give you a load of characters, and I want you to follow me as best as you can. It's all about ordering food. The waiter says, what do you have? What do you have? I'll have the chicken sandwich, fries, and a Coke. You want ketchup? You want ketchup? Nah, I'm good. Right, we're going to repeat this a few times because there's so much elision in here that it's really good practice. Try this one sentence. I'll have the chicken sandwich, fries and Coke. 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 See if you can spot all the elision that's happening there, all the words that are being squished. I'll have the chicken sandwich, fries and Coke. I'll have the chicken sandwich, fries and Coke. Okay, let's try some friends chatting in another conversation now, shall we? Did you see the match? Did you see the match? Nah, missed it. I was watching something else. What'd you watch? What'd you watch? Dunno, just something on Netflix. Dunno, just something on Netflix. Okay, let's try one sentence from that one. Did you see the match? Did you see the match? Did you see the match? See if you can keep up with me. Did you see the match? Did you see the match? Did you see the match? Next time you're asking somebody if they watched that football game, just say, did you see the match? Did you see the match? Okay, and make it really squished. What about, was watching something else? Was watching something else? Was watching something else? There's so much elision going on there. Was watching someone else. Was watching something else. Was watching something else. I want you to go back and try both of those scenes again for me and practice it until you've got the elision absolutely perfect. Now, I'm going to show you a little cheat sheet for elision. I want you to repeat these elisions from super common words after me. And becomes un. So for example, fish and chips. Fish and chips. If you're in England, go and try some lovely fish and chips. It's not fish and chips though. It's fish and chips. Fish and chips. Fish and chips. Me and you. Him and her. Fish and chips. Fish and chips. Of often becomes like a. So when you say a cup of tea, you're more likely to say a cuppa. A cup of tea. A cup of tea. Another thing, if you're in England, go and try a nice English cup of tea. I'd like a cup of tea, please. Another cup of tea, please. Cup of tea. A cup of tea. Have often just becomes v. Okay? V. And sometimes it can be dropped completely, like shoulda or woulda or coulda. Let's practice those ones. Shoulda. I shoulda. I woulda. I woulda. Or I coulda. I coulda. Shoulda, woulda, coulda. I should have done this. I would have done this. I could have done this. Them often becomes just Tell them I'm coming. Tell them I'm coming. Tell them. Tell them. Tell them I'm coming over later today. Tell them I'm coming. Tell them I'm coming over. Tell them I'm coming over. Practice again. Tell them. Tell them. Tell them. Tell them I'm coming over. Tell them. Also, we often drop to. So in things like going to or want to, you'll say things like gonna or wanna. Gonna, wanna. Okay? Gonna, wanna. Really good practice. I'm going to do this. I'm going to do that. I'm going to do this. I'm going to do that. I want to do this. I want to do that. I want to do this. I want to do that. So why does elision matter? When you speak without elision, you might sound a bit too slow, robotic, or like you're trying to be too careful. But when you use it really well, you sound just like a native English speaker and you get this superb flow. Okay? It makes you sound real and natural. So, I'm going to leave you with a little challenge. This is our challenge round. See if you can beat the clock here, okay? I want you to repeat these sentences 5 times with me, okay? But each time, I want you to go a little bit faster, okay? Try this nice one here. I might have told him I'd call, but I couldn't. I might have told him I'd call, but I couldn't. I might have told him I'd call, but I couldn't. I might have told him I'd call, but I couldn't. I might have told him I'd call, but I couldn't. One more time. I might have told him I'd call, but I couldn't. Now you try. Try this one. She should have been here by now. She should have been here by now. She should have been here by now. She should have been here by now is she should have been here by now. 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 One last time. She should have been here by now. Try this one. You want to grab something to eat? You want to grab something to eat? You want to grab something to eat? This is where if I want to ask my friends if they want something to eat. You want to grab something to eat? You want to grab something to eat? This gives you that real natural flow. You want to grab something to eat? You want to grab something to eat is you want to grab something to eat? Just see if you can copy the exact sound there. You want to grab something to eat? You want to grab something to eat? What I want you to do is to go back and say them as fast as you possibly can, okay? And I want you to let me know which one is the most difficult in the comments. Whatever one is the most difficult, write that in the comments, okay? You'll find when you start to learn English like this and practice, the next time you're watching Love Island or Peaky Blinders or something like that, you'll actually find it easier to listen to as well. It's good practice for both English speaking and listening. So, Practice as many times as you can with this short video and watch yourself improve, okay? Thank you so much again for joining me for this short lesson. Lots more coming up. I've been away for a long time, but I am back. So let me know in the comments if there's any videos that you'd like to see, and I will try my best to start making them for you. Okay, have a lovely day. Make sure you hit that like button and subscribe if you haven't subscribed already. Leave a comment, any questions, I will be happy to answer them. Thanks very much. Have a great day. See you later. Bye-bye.